Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of TikTok and automation, a powerful combo for building an income stream. Now, before we jump in, let me be clear, there's no magic button here. But with the right strategies and a little automation magic, you can seriously boost your TikTok earnings. I'm here to share exactly how I used automation to hit $1,000 plus on TikTok. And you can follow this step-by-step guide to do the same. Step 1. Finding your niche and content strategy. TikTok is all about trends and engagement. So the first step is identifying a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and has a strong audience. If you are following wrong niche or thinking to start TikTok with a good niche, you can follow these. DIY crafts, life hacks, funny skits, educational content, product reviews. We'll get to that later. Once you have your niche, brainstorm creative content ideas that will resonate with your target audience. Step 2. Content batching and scheduling. Here's where automation comes in. Batch filming and editing your videos saves a ton of time. Film multiple videos in one session. Plan your outfits, sets, and transitions beforehand. Use editing software with scheduling features. Edit and schedule your content for the week or even month in advance. This frees you up to focus on other aspects of your channel. Step 3. Leveraging automation tools carefully. There are tools available that can help with things like hashtag research and automation. Beware of violating community guidelines. Caption generation. Use these as a starting point. Personalize your captions. Engagement automation. Avoid going overboard. Focus on genuine interactions. Remember, the goal is to enhance your workflow, not replace your personality. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that your audience will love. Step 4. Monetization strategies. Now, how do we turn those views into dollars? Here are a few options. The Creator Fund. Once you meet eligibility requirements, you can earn directly from TikTok views. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products you use and love, earning a commission on sales. Sell your own products or services. Do you have an Etsy shop or offer coaching? Promote it on TikTok. Step 5. Analyze, adapt, and grow. Track your results. See what content performs best and what resonates with your audience. Use TikTok analytics to see what's working. What videos get the most views, likes, and comments. Adapt your strategy based on the data. Double down on what's working and refine what isn't. That's it. By following these steps and leveraging automation effectively, you can seriously boost your earnings on TikTok. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating engaging content, interacting with your audience, and analyzing your results. With dedication and these automation hacks, you can be well on your way to your first $1,000 on TikTok. Leave a comment below with your niche and content ideas. Let's build a community of TikTok automation enthusiasts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more online earning tips and tricks.